Today is Wednesday, December the 4th, 2024, about 1:03 in the afternoon. And I'm taking what's called at the Japanese Gardens in Mobile, Alabama. And I never read nothing about there being a waterfall here. But you can see there's one here. You can see there's some traffic up there on that street. But there's all these rocks here. Let me show you. I had to go through all of that over there, and it's way worse than what it looks like. And there's a bunch of grass and stuff here, and you can see the water goes around, does that away, and goes straight through there. Nice and calm down there. I did not expect to see a waterfall here. There's even a little one back up there. So it's a nice little treat. So let's go see what else this place has to offer. Now up through there is a waterfall where I was at. I just shot that. And this is where this comes around at. I'm seeing a little bit more of a fall. Gentle, of course, right there. Going down the calmed in area, and then this ends right here. So we'll have to go back up to what I think is now the main track, because this is the end of this one. So I'll show you one more thing here before we go back. Alright, yeah, so now you see this palm tree right here. Look how bushed out that thing is. Pretty cool. And the sky looks good too. So that, and the water is just beyond it, as I just showed you. So that's the extra surprise. Come across this lily pond here, lily pad pond. Kind of asleep for the winter. But look at this reflection over here with that Japanese structure. I think that's pretty neat. There's a bridge that we're on that takes us a little bit through the woods. It's not really crossing over anything, just big deep hole down there. And a hump here.
Are y'all explorers?
Yeah. Oh man, that goes a long way down through there. So we'll take more of a look at that as we get down there. Over that very bright sun, this is the part of that pond that I showed you earlier. But right over here, it turns out, is we got this part of the pond, another different section. You can see pretty much everything's asleep. See that great big leaf there. And right here in front of us is the big orange Japanese thing. I'm not sure exactly what you would call it. But right there it is. So we're going to walk underneath of it. Show you up a little bit. Some sort of a gateway, I guess. Then back out here to this main path and down that way. So here it is from this side. There we go. So again, pond over there to the right, and there's a pond over there to the left. And here's the end of the bridge we started earlier. So I just finished that. And looks like we're going to come out to another pond. Wow. This place has got at least 3 ponds to it. Let's take a look. It's got a really nice reflection. Yeah, you see some of that now. Here we go. Check this out. Nice reflection all the way down. And all this way back. Show you all the way over to this side. There you go. Pretty nice. Alright, we found a koi in this 5th pond. Yeah, you can see him right there. And there's a little baby one. Oh, and a big orange goldfish. You should be able to see him. He's coming right towards me. So we found the koi. There he is. Oh yeah, I can see him on this screen, so I know you can see him. Okay, so we got us some fishies. Alright, hopefully you can see this great, yeah, I know you can see him right there. He is big, and you got a guy right out there, a little partner. They're coming together right there. And there's a turtle on out there beyond them. Hopefully he's coming, and there's another turtle out there. And then way out there is another fish, and then here's a really gold one, orange one. Look at this. I mean, yeah, orange.
And this yellow one.
Look at this. Yeah, so now you can see him, and there's a great big yellow one over there. Then there's a darker one straight out there coming towards me. But here, let's get closer if we can. There he is. Yeah, I know you can see him. So look at this. Hold on. See that one? Almost like a tiger shark type. Look at this guy. Look at his collar. Right down there.
Oh yeah, cool.
Okay, so we found the koi pond. And oh, right there. He's dark. Oh man, now he's pretty much gone because of that reflection. But again, out there, those orange things. And there's some white ones right over there. Two white ones swimming together. Hopefully they're coming through. I was going to go into water, but I don't have a flat. We're going to cross this water here. Just listen for about 5 seconds or so. Sounds pretty good, don't it? So with what's coming up, I'm probably going to close out the video with this unless something else special happens. But check this out. I know you got to hear it. Pretty cool to capture a train here in the woods. Alright, I don't know how long this thing is, but hopefully you like that. And if there's something else, I'll add it. If not, this will be the end. So if it is the end, I will see you on the next one. Hey, okay, I decided to actually close up the video here. I've run across these Japanese maples here, I believe what these are. And you see there's 3 of them. And so, still looking pretty good this late in the year, December the 4th, and they look this good. Kind of hard to complain about that, but I really like the light on that one. Isn't that nice? Alright, so I'll see you on the next video this time around.